How to turn off the green dot on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can turn off the green dot on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the green dot basically indicates that someone or you are active on Instagram, right? On Facebook, right? And then if you want to go ahead and then basically turn off the green dot, tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon, which is this settings icon here. Now when you come to the settings page here, you should be able to see all the sorts of information, where under audience and visibility, one option you'll find there will be known as active status. So tap on that active status and you just have to turn off this option that will turn off the green dot along with the active status. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can turn off the green dot on Facebook. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.